Hello everybody, this is AngrySteve here. As you all know, it's almost Christmas. Yeah, Christmas is great, but not everything's great about it. All the crowds when you're shopping, waiting in line, and then you deal with gift returns later. Anyway, I'll show you some about what my Christmas is like.
Oh honey, this Christmas is going to be wonderful. Just look at all these restaurants I found. Oh, we're gonna have a great time. Oh, I've got all these things that we can do.
Seriously?
Alexa, ask Zyxel Multy to pause the internet.
I'm gonna make a whole schedule for us. Hey, what happened? Where's my phone?
Oh, that's so much better.
Oh, I love this song.
Oh yeah, that's a high score! Hey Steve, you need to come over here. We can race. Man, could these guys be any more noisy? I've got it.
Alexa, ask Zyxel Multy to turn off guest Wi-Fi.
What? Where's my phone?
What? Where'd my phone go? Finally, peace and quiet.
Oh, he's just going to love this.
Alexa, ask Zyxel Multy to turn on Wi-Fi lights.
Hey honey, I'm home.
There you are. I have a special gift for you this Christmas.
Oh, is this for me? Thank you. Oh, I can't wait to see what this is. Another scarf. Every year. I can't believe it. So, you can see what my Christmas is like. But anyway, even though there are some things I don't like about Christmas, I'm still glad I can spend time with my family. You can use the link below to go to Zyxel's Christmas event. So, see you all next time. Hey, could you knock it off?